I grew up in London, went to Chinese school to learn Cantonese. Wasn't very good at it, by the way. But my parents treated us to a bun in Chinatown. I'm Aaron, and I'm the owner of Ongong Buns. Ongong is the name of our cat. My parents are from Hong Kong. They came to the UK in the 1970s as teenagers. My mum grew up baking and cooking a lot. That's why she could bake all these Hong Kong buns and have knowledge of it. When we started, we were selling pineapple bun. The pineapple bun doesn't have pineapple. It has like a vanilla cookie dough topping. So those who never seen a pineapple bun before were asking what's the filling. When I said that it's a plain bun, they didn't buy it. So I tried the custard and coconut filling, tested on customers. They loved it, absolutely loved it. The filling's a little bit mushy. Then it's got this brioche bun, which is fluffy. Then this crispy topping. It's not just great taste, it's just texturally very good and complete.
That's really good. Oh my god, this filling. It's nice, it's like coconutty and creamy.
Do you have something similar in the UK?
Not really. Maybe a donut if you're lucky.
Oh, it's sweet, it's crispy. The taste is very unique.
The cocktail bun filling, we mix it all together, then put in the fridge, it has to harden. Same again with the pineapple topping. Gets made, put in the fridge until it hardens. Then the next day, we cut all the dough, the fillings, the toppings in its correct size. And then roll the dough. Put the fillings onto the dough. Then we close the dough up and roll it into a ball. Then that leaves to proof for some time until it doubles. Then you just roll the cookie dough topping so it's a flat circle. Once the dough has proofed, you egg wash it, put the pineapple bun topping on top, egg wash that, then heat it up. And voila! At the beginning, we were based in Shoreditch. It was me at front of the shop. My mum baked the Chinese buns. My wife baked the Malaysian foods. People were attracted to the smell of the bakery. I'm not the most typical salesperson. I literally rant on and say a lot about my opinion, saying don't buy that, why are you buying this? People enjoy that. It's quirky, I guess, but it's just me, just my personality. Our menu on Deliveroo is basically me, but in written form. Has been very popular, went viral. We grown very, very quickly, just over half a year. We got invited to be part of a food incubator. We needed investment. We did find an investor, but unfortunately, the investor pulled out within a month, which frankly is crazy. The investor bought cooking equipment, which he subsequently took away and sold for himself. And we lost staff, which was the most important thing. We had to close both stores. We had to rebuild. Yeah. It was really good that we had a loyal customer base because we started crowdfunding. We got a fair bit of money to restart again, which was really nice. Mum's retired, my wife getting another job outside the bakery. It means that there's less financial risk for us. I'm working with a baker who's not part of my family. I am absolutely shattered. I haven't had a day off at all. I really enjoy people's feedback. When they have the food, you can see in their face how much they enjoy it. And also, selfishly, it gets me out of the house and talking to people and meeting dogs. Get that.
Really?
This is amazing chai. You can taste the ginger. This is so lovely.
How much are you from?
Is Hong Kong known like the best-selling bun?
Sadly not. It's the char siu bun, the barbecue pork. My least favorite bun because it's so boring. It's everywhere. Everyone knows it.
Up next, we'll visit a family that's been making crispy Taiwanese fried dough sticks for 30 years in Australia. Stay tuned.
If you guys have a dog, please come to Cucumber Alley. Dogs are allowed to come, and then I will give all the attention to them. I hope that will stay on the video. That's my basic plea.